Alright.
Alright, we sure? Okay. Okay, so we've got this set up on the bench. We've got we've got a transformer hooked up through there to a dummy load. So you're going to put one wire going to the main hoist motor through that through this transformer here. It has to be a wire that carries current when the motor is going in slow and fast. Alright, so back to this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hook up your test weight, your maximum load that you want to be able to lift, or a little bit more than that, and then you're going to do a lift on slow speed, and only on slow speed. So this is what it will look like. We'll do a lift, and you'll see a number appear here. So we're lifting here. That's pulling 1.8 amps at low speed. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to do a lift at high speed, and this is going to pull a bit more current. You're going to do a lift at high speed, and you'll notice here you'll notice that it's saying H here for high speed, and that's 3.1 amps. So it was pulling 1.8 amps at low speed and 3.1 amps at high speed. Okay. Now, to set the limits, we go push and hold the set button down, and it says that. We push it again, don't change these settings, and again, low speed setting. We're going to set it to, push this button, keep pushing that button to change the number, and then push this button to go to the next number, 1.8 amps. I'm going to push the set button again, high speed, and it was about 3.2 amps, I think. And we're done. So we're on high speed now. If I do a lift, and this is how you check it, I'm pulling 3 amps, I'll go to 3.2 amps, wait, hold. If I push, I simulate a low speed lift. Remember we set the low speed to 1.8 amps. Do a lift. 1.8 amps. That's how you configure the thing. You'll also need to put these two wires. And note, this green wire is not an earth wire. Do not hook this up as an earth wire. We'll put a little label on there saying this is not an earth wire. This needs to be a dry set of contacts, okay, that close, let me get this right, that close when you're in high speed. So these contacts should be open when we're in low speed and close when we're in high speed. And so you'll put them as an auxiliary set of contacts on there. And that's it. Oh, sorry, there's two more wires here, the red and the yellow. You put these in series with your up contactor, and they will open up when when you get into an overload. And that's how you set it up.